if you look underneath down there, all right, everyone, when you're doing a whole gut remodel, or you're doing an addition or remodeling anything interior, there's a lot of unknowns you don't know in the beginning, and this job was plenty. So obviously, if you've watched the other videos, you're doing floor to ceiling windows in the whole area here in Hollywood Hills. But what we didn't know, because we're also going to be digging out a basement, we're going to do underpinning and build out a basement, and believe it or not, we're going to be doing an infinity pool on the third level over here. It's going to look absolutely stunning with this view. But what I want to talk about in this video is the unknowns. We had no idea there was concrete under this floor. We thought it was just wood, because if you look underneath down there, oh, can't really see it, but there's concrete. For example, the concrete footings are a lot further down. They're about 8 feet down, further down there. So we thought this was just wood. Turns out it's not. So we can't actually install the floor to ceiling windows in this floor until we get all the concrete down. We now have to do all the underpinning that we're going to do later, and support that. And then once we do that underpinning step by step, inspected by the state, making sure everything's kosher, nothing's going to fall down, then and only then we can install the glass here once the whole structure is perfect. The other thing I want to show you is this area. It's kind of dangerous to walk over here, actually. You can see the wood rot here, right? Unfortunately, this is what happens when you don't take care of properties, if you neglect properties. Water gets in. Sometimes you can't even see the water getting in, right? It's hidden by wood or paint or something, or stone, and it deteriorates whatever material is underneath, whatever the base material is. So now, because of that, we have to completely rip out these joists here. We can't reuse them. And these joists are going in to the house, and allowing tremendous support to have a freestanding deck. Like you can see here, we've already completed all the work here. We completed this steel beam. We, all of this is done already. Now we have to completely redo these floorboards to make sure that new deck we're building is good. So, among other things, a lot more water damage was found inside. That's just part of it. But, the biggest point here that I want to make in this video is, whenever you're doing a remodel or renovation, just know you don't know what's behind a wall. You don't know what's behind a concrete floor.